Welcome to Splash Games. Today we're going to be teaching you how to play Airplane Ride. Before we get into the video, I just want to warn any kids or teenagers that think that they might want to play this, and go show it to your parents, because if you see this, then it won't be any fun. It's top secret. To set up this game, you're going to need a board like this, a blindfold, and two people to hold of the board, and someone else to lead. So when you've got all those things, you take everyone who's going to play, and they go into another room where they can't hear what's happening in the room. And then you blindfold one of the kids and bring them into the room. You walk them onto the board and have them grab the leader's shoulders. Then, the two people that are lifting up the board, and then proceed to lift it up a few inches off the ground. Then, the leader has to pretend like the board is going higher and higher and higher. During that time, he or she is going lower and lower and lower. Eventually, the leader is going to have to tell the person that they have to jump off because they're too high.
Jump off, jump off!
They think they're super high, but they're not. So they try and jump, and it's really fun to watch.
Up here.
A quick disclaimer though, this does not work every time. Not every kid is gonna fall for it. Usually a few people figure it out. Now let's watch some other kids do it. Oh.
Okay.
Why is it shaking?
You're going up.
Oh my gosh.
You're going up. You're going pretty high. You're going pretty high.
Where are we?
Whoa, duck down a little bit. Duck down a little bit. You're gonna hit the ceiling. Duck down a bit.
Okay, sorry. Wait.
Okay. Oh gosh, you're getting too high. Kate, you're getting too high. You're Kate.
It's getting darker.
You're gonna have to jump. You're gonna
No,
have to,
no.
Kate, you're gonna have to jump. You're gonna have, Kate.
Give me your hand.
Kate, you're gonna have to jump.
Where? Where do I jump?
Just jump it forward. That was so good. That was so good. That was so good. She's gonna love that video. Okay, so go ahead. Spin towards me a little bit. Okay. All right. You feel sturdy? You good?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. All right. So.
What are we doing?
Let's see our suit. Yeah. All right. So go ahead and put your hands on my shoulders. Okay. We're gonna lift you up now. Ready? Okay. We're lifting you up. Okay. You're going up higher. Going up a little higher. Sam, you okay? You okay? Sam, you're going higher. Sam, duck down a little bit. Yeah, you're gonna hit the ceiling. Okay, Sam, you're going too high, Sam. You're gonna have to jump, Sam. Wait, okay, throw him to the